Hi everyone, my name is Lily Severson and I am a current junior at the University of Iowa pursuing my degree in political science and economics. I wanted to thank you, alumni and faculty members, for your generous support. It is with your help that I was able to pursue an internship over the summer with Sarah Trone-Garriott. She is a Democratic candidate running to beat Zach Nunn in the House seat for the 2026 election. It was really amazing to get to see what a federal campaign looks like aside from the state campaigns that I'd volunteered on in the past. Through this internship, I was able to experience hands-on what fundraising and political organizing looks like for a federal campaign. I was able to do donor research, help spread our message via social media. We're trying to change the state of politics at the federal level from right here at the state of Iowa. So it was really amazing to be a part of that, and it is all thanks to your support. So thank you for your support in making my dreams of entering politics and sort of getting first-on, hands-on experience a reality, and go Hawks!